Hello, my friend. I'm very excited about today's review. This mascara caught my eye immediately when I talked about it in What's Up in Makeup, which is my makeup news show that I do every single Sunday morning. I saw this and I was like, you know what? I've never seen anything like this before. I really want to review it. So today we are reviewing the brand new Kaja. It is called the Wink Lash Trio Mascara, and it is such an interesting product. But I want to know not just if it looks cool, if it's innovative packaging, I want to know if the formula actually works. So we're going to talk about that today. If you're interested in that, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. All right, so check out this packaging. It has a volumizing mascara, a lengthening mascara, and a clear primer, and they're magnetic and they go like this. And it's just fun. It's fun to make them go apart and back together and back apart and back together and apart and back together. I'm such a child, I know, but it is very amusing for me. So what we're going to be doing today is we are going to not only be testing out the Kaja mascara, I'm also going to compare it to three of my favorite mascaras recently. This one's been a very long time favorite mascara. It's a drugstore mascara. It's super inexpensive. It's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. And then this was recently sent to me by Ilia. This is their new Fullest volumizing mascara, and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag. So these are comparable price points, but this is a lot more work. This is gonna be 3 steps versus 1 step, you know, minus doing multiple layers. And then this, of course, is at a much lower price point. So I wanna compare that as well. I do wanna talk very quickly about the sizes of these and how much product that you get. So each one of these tubes comes with 0.26 ounces. The high-end mascaras that I'm gonna be showing you have 0.32 ounces, and then the Essence Lash Princess has 0.4 ounces. So you do get less mascara in each one than you do in an individual here, but combined, if you count this as one mascara together, you're gonna get much more product than you would with these by themselves. And considering that the Ilia is the same price as this, you are getting a lot more product in here, especially if you count the primer, than you do in this mascara alone. Without explaining any more, let's go ahead and zoom in and see how all of these compare. This has been a new favorite of mine as far as mascara goes. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag. I've had this open for a couple of months. I do want to mention how old the mascara is, because I do feel like as a mascara ages, sometimes its performance changes. So that's the deal with this one, and I'll let you know for each one that I show you. All right, so there you go. Anastasia Lash Brag. Mascara number 2 is new to me from Ilia. It is their new natural mascara. It's called the Fullest Volume Mascara. Volumizing. Fullest Volumizing Mascara. I'm gonna get this. So this has been open for about a week. So that is the Ilia Fullest Volumizing Mascara. One of my all-time favorites, the Essence Lash Princess. This is the False Lash Effect Mascara. I love the Lash Princess mascaras. They've been favorites of mine for a very long time. This one is brand new. This is the first time I've used this tube. That is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Now comes to the fun part for me, which is trying a new mascara that I've never tried. This is the Kaja Wink Lash Trio, and we're gonna start with the primer. I'm just so easily amused by magnets, I swear. I want to try the clear primer on my brows because they do say that you can use this as a brow gel. There's the wand for it. And let's see how that ends up drying down. Is it gonna hold those little baby hairs? Not really. Oop, I got it in my regular hair. Oh well. I'll let that dry. While I'm letting that dry, I'm gonna put it on the lashes. Now, I don't expect to visibly see anything now, but the point of this is to increase volume and length once the other mascara goes on. In the directions, it says to use the primer, then the volumizing mascara, and then the lengthening mascara. So let's try the volumizing one. There is the wand. So one thing I will say for it so far is that it definitely is less clumpy than the other ones that I typically use and really like, but what you're sacrificing there when you don't have it be super clumpy is volume. With the second coat, it seems to be getting a little bit more volume, but it's definitely not as clumpy as those other ones. Let's do the lengthening on top and see what happens. I'm waiting for I'm waiting for the boom, for the bam, for the oomph, for the shazam, and I'm not getting it. It's trying really hard. Well, I'm definitely getting length. I'm just not getting the volume. Let me try putting the volume one on top. See if that helps a little bit. I'm trying here, Kaja, I'm trying. It's just not, it's not doing it. It's not doing the thing that I like my mascara to do. I mean, I'm definitely getting length. I think that if you already have voluminous lashes, you're probably really gonna like this. Just for an experiment, I'm gonna go ahead and put the volumizing mascara on the other side without the primer. I mean, it's definitely working. There's definitely more length with that. It's just not, it's not impressive. It's good, but it's just not impressive. And that's definitely, the lengthening mascara is definitely adding length, absolutely. And I like the way that it's brushing my lashes out and making it so they're not so clumpy. I think this side just has way too much product on it at this point that it just looks like doo-doo. This side looks better because I haven't overdone it. See what I'm saying? Adding more product is just making them be like more spidery. Let me go ahead and zoom out now that we've played with this and kind of give you some final thoughts on this mascara. I feel like this is just marketed to a different person that has different preferences. I think that if you already have long and or voluminous lashes, this is probably going to be more appropriate for you than these that I personally like with my little short sparse lashes that you cannot even see without mascara. I think these are more suited for my lashes because they really do give intense length and volume. I feel like this just wasn't quite enough for me, but I don't feel like it's a bad mascara at all. I felt like that the lengthening and volumizing definitely needed to be used together in order to get close to the performance of these mascaras. I don't think that the clear brow gel slash primer is worth it at all. I don't think that it has any purpose on the lashes. It's very thin. When I think of a lash primer that does something for me, I think of the Lancome Sills Booster XL. I think of the Milani, the violet one, where it it gives you some length and volume before you apply your mascara. So it really does amp up your mascara as far as what it's supposed to do. This I don't feel like did anything there. I do kind of like it as a brow gel though. It feels very nice. It seems to be holding my brows nicely, but I don't really see a purpose of that in here. I guess they just kind of needed something to fill the space. I don't know, but I feel like they should have gone a different direction with the primer. So for me personally, do I think this is worth the $28 price point? No, I don't. I feel like it's a lot of work for not as much effect. It's cute. It was fun to try, but I don't think I'm gonna be repurchasing it, and I don't think I can recommend this for someone who has similar lashes to me, but you have to kind of look at your own personal needs to decide whether you think this is right for you or not. At this point, my friend, it is your turn in the collective brain of makeup awesomeness, where we help each other not to buy crap and to buy things that are totally worth it. I would love to know your thoughts on my application of these mascaras. Which one was your favorite? Do you personally like these kinds of mascaras, or do you like something different? Have you tried this mascara yet? If you have, what are your thoughts on it? Do you like it the same or more than other mascaras that you've tried? If you've never tried it, why not? Do you want to try it? Are you interested in trying it? Or are you gonna just completely pass? Whatever your thoughts, I would love to know them down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, and you would like to hang out a little longer for another review, YouTube should be recommending a couple videos for you right over here to watch. But if it is your time to go, it is absolutely no problem at all. Thank you so much for hanging out as long as you did, and mad love to you, and I'll see you in a video very soon.